Hello, students. We are going to start to discuss some tools of LDD in today session. Okay. So let's start with this. If I'm talking about the clone tool, so first we need to understand what is the role of this clone tool, because the selection tool we have already covered. We have already covered in the previous session. So today I'm going to discuss rest other tools. Okay. So initially we will learn like what is the role and what is the purpose of this clone tool in the Lego Digital Designer. So in Lego Digital Designer, the clone tool is used to quickly make copies of existing bricks or parts uh, in our design without having to like search for them again in the parts library. As you can see on the left side, we have a library, parts library. If I need any part once again, the same part I need during the designing, so there's no need to find out in the library again. We can just clone it. Okay. Like how it works, we will discuss this. So the main purpose of a clone tool is to like creates an identical copy of a selected brick. Like for example, I am taking any model piece or any part. For example, I am taking brick. Yes, this one, or any other brick we can take also. For example, this one or this one, right? So if I want to create a duplicate copy or an identical copy of any selected brick, then we can use clone tool, because it saves time when you need multiple identical pieces. Okay. Like how to use like select the clone tool first. This is the clone tool. It look like a stamp icon. You can see it look like a stamp icon. When you click on this, or if you are selecting this, then click on the brick or a group of brick which you want to copy. Like I want to copy this part. So just click here and then move your mouse. After clicking, move your mouse to the desired position wherever you want to put your copy. So the copy will follow the cursor like this. Okay. And left click to place the clone. Got it? आपको क्या करना है? Left click करना है to place the clone. So the main tip is you can continue placing multiple copies until you change tools. Like if you are doing the same thing once again, clicking and dragging your mouse, so you can uh, create continue multiple copies until you change tools. Like this is a clone tool. If you're not changing this tool, so it will doing the same function continuously. If I'm selecting this selection tool, then uh, you can't copy again. If I'm clicking this, so it's not creating copy, it's not cloning, it's just changing the position of the part. Okay. So this is the main purpose of the clone tool, or I can say the copy and paste function. We can rename this function or this tool like copy and paste function. That is in LDD. Okay. And now, if I'm talking about the last one, this is the delete tool. So the main purpose of delete tool is like to remove unwanted bricks from our design. Okay, what is it? Unwanted bricks from our design, we can remove it. Like right now these are the multiple copies of that particular part, but I want only two selected parts, and I want to delete two parts, rest two parts. So that means I want to delete permanently two parts from the work plane area. Okay, so where we can use this delete tool, and how we can use it. The main thing is how we can use it. So the very simple part is select the delete tool first from the section area like this, and then we can say it eraser or bin area, bin tool, right? Bin icon. So you have to click on the brick. You have to click on the brick which you want to remove. So I want to remove this one or this one, for example, not this one, not this one. I want to remove this one and this one permanently. So it will disappear instantly when you click on that part like this. Okay. You can also press the delete key from your keyboard after selecting a brick also. So there are two methods. You can go with the delete tool also, and if you are selecting tool like just selecting this part, and after that you have to press the delete button, then it will work same. Okay. There's no difference in the function, but there are two ways to perform the same function. You can go with this delete tool also, you can go with the delete key also. So this is the functionality of the delete tool. Now, if I'm talking about the next one, that is the hide tool. So we will discuss first what is the functionality, what is the purpose, what is the role of this hide tool. So basically, the purpose of hide tool is like a temporarily hide bricks. We can see or work on the parts behind them. Okay, how? Like I don't want to delete any part permanently. This yellow brick, I want to hide it. I don't want to delete permanently because maybe after some time I need the same brick once again. So no need to find out from the part library because it's consuming time. So for saving time, we can use this hide tool. So what is the process to use? How we can use? So the process is very simple. Once again, we need to select the tool first from the tool section area, that is the hide tool. Select it, and it look like a eye icon. So then you have to click on that brick which you want to hide. Like I want to hide this yellow brick. So you need to click on that particular brick, and then they will become invisible. Okay, they invisible but not deleted, because you can see on the right side. uh, to bring them back, we can click on this restore hidden brick. Usually you can see at the top of the right corner, right? So it's quite useful for us, or very simple. If I want to take this hidden brick once again, we can click on that. Okay, like this. So you can see, and if you want to hide it again, so you can perform the same action similarly. Got it? If I'm going to tell you one thing, like it is very useful when building inside a model or working with the overlapping parts. Okay, I'm going to show you once again, like if I want to hide this brick also, so we'll click on that. Until you are not deselecting this tool, it will perform the actions. And when you will select the another selection tool or another tool, you can see you can't work with hide tool anymore, right? And if you're clicking on this hidden icon, you can see your hide parts will be visible on the work plane area once again. And at a time, you can use it for the designing. So there's no need to find out again and again. And you can use this brick, for example. I'm using here, and then I want to hide once again because right now I don't want to take this, and I want to take this after some time. So again, we can hide this brick only. So it's quite easy. There's no need to find out this brick from the tool or from the brick area, and we can use, or we can save another yellow brick for a long time, right? So in this way we can perform the task with the hide tool. Now next one is the paint tool. Here it is. So it's very useful for us because the main purpose is to change the color of the bricks, because physically in the kit we have uh, different color parts. Like sometime we restricted with the color, like we need to prepare this design in red color only or a yellow color only. That time we need the color bricks, so it will give you the same feel. If for example I want to take this yellow color brick and I want that same brick in the another color, so we need to use the pen tool. What is the process to use this pen tool? How to use? The very simple, you need to select the pen tool first, which look like the bucket icon. Okay, and then pick a color from the palette. Okay, it will show you when you click on the particular part, it will give you the complete color palette on the screen. You can select the color, pick a color from the palette. Like for example, I want to pick a color red from the palette, and click on the brick or a multiple brick to apply the color. For example, I want to click here, I want to change this brick color also. I want to take a green color here, and I want to do orange color here. I want to do white color here, right? Or I can change it. It is okay. We can change it. We can do it orange here, green here. So it's completely up to us, like this. Even you can paint entire group at once by dragging, and even change a special part like transparent pieces. You can do anything through this paint tool. Correct? Like if I'm clicking on this and I'm selecting the paint tool, when I click on this, it will show me the exact color palette, and then we can change it. Right? So it's quite easy and even more useful for us, because at the time if we have a restriction, if we bound with color, then we can go with this process. Because in physical kit we have too much parts related to different colors. Like if I'm taking this one and I want to change the color of this particular part, just selecting it, and you can see the different colors are available. Similarly for this, okay, can go with this. Okay, so in this way we can change the colors of any brick. It is not दैट कि आप किसी एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रिक का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, नो। वट एवर ब्रिक इज अवेलेबल इन द brick section, you can change the colors like this. Okay, I hope all these things are clear to you. You can see. Okay, so in this way we can change the color. Like if I'm going to change this color also, so we can change it accordingly. I hope this thing is clear to you. So we have discussed clone tool, we have discussed paint tool, we have discussed hide tool and delete tool. So what are the functions and uh, roles, and I can say the purpose of all these tool and how it works. We have already discussed these things, right? Now I'm going to show you, because this is a build mode, and if I am selecting the view mode, you can see we can check it in different views. If I'm selecting this, I can change the background. Okay, we can set the background from the computer location also. And the third one is generating build guide, because we have not created any design, but we have embedded some parts on the work plane area. So we can see we have followed 9 steps. So it will show you step by step. This is the first step. When we started Lego Digital Designer, we insert this brick on the work plane area. That's why it is showing me the first step. Now second, I have taken this, then third, I have taken this, fourth, I have taken this, fifth, this one, sixth, this one, seventh, this one, eighth, this one, ninth, this one, right? So this is showing me the step by step. If I'm going to the build mode and I'm deleting all these tools, whatever tools are here, for example, okay, and I'm preparing only a single design, and then I will create a building guide for this. Like this is my first step. Yes, this is my first step. Then I have taken this is my second step. Then this is the third step, moving this brick and then put it here. Similarly, I have taken one more in the same way. This is my fourth step. Then I have taken one more brick, I have added here. So this is my module, for example, or this is my design, for example. So if I am generating the building guide for this small design, so it will give you step by step. How? Go in this section and click on the next brick like this. So this is the first step. You need to take this brick from the brick section, and then you have to assemble the another brick like that, like this. It will show you like how many bricks you required and how you need to set it like this. You can see you have to set it here, and then you have to set it here, then here. Okay, so these are the steps. Even you can rotate it, you can check it from every direction where you have to put, or in which way you have to design. Okay, in this way you can check it out, and then you can follow the instructions and you can prepare any design. Even you can share your design building guide to any other one also, so that any other student or any other member can prepare, right? So this is the procedure. And if you want to go back on the building mode, so you will click on the building mode once again, and you can come again on the work plane area, where you can enhance your design, make your design, and build your robots. I hope all these things are clear to you.